Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be unboxing and testing the remote control police sports car. The box of this police sports car toy is well designed and visually appealing in blue and white colors. And it comes with colorful images of the police car toy and some of its main features. And on this side of the box, you can see some images showing you how to install the batteries and use the remote control. Let's now see what's inside the box. As we open the box, we can see that the police car toy comes with the RC car itself and a remote control. The car is made of high-quality materials and has a sleek and stylish design that resembles a real sports car. I am really excited to see how this remote control police car works. The remote control of this police car is easy to use and allows for precise control of the car's movements. The remote control features a simple design with buttons for left and right movements. It also has buttons for forward and backward movements. This remote control requires two 1.5 volts batteries, size AA, which are not included in the box. Same as the remote control, this police sports car is also securely packaged using white plastic screws, which are easy to loosen. Now, let's take a closer look at the features of this RC police sports car toy. The car is equipped with a powerful motor that allows it to reach impressive speeds and take on tight turns with ease, adding extra excitement to playtime and making it feel like you're driving a real police sports car. This remote control police car requires three 1.5 volts batteries, size AA, which are not included in the box. The on or off switch of this police car is located at the bottom of the toy. I think, by now, we are ready to test this police sports car toy. We're going to test this car indoors and outdoors. One of the great things about this police car toy is that it provides hours of entertainment for everybody. Whether you're racing it around the house or setting up obstacle courses in the backyard, this police car toy offers endless possibilities for fun and creativity. This remote control police sports car is recommended for flat surfaces, low carpet, or tile floors. However, this police sports car toy cannot drive off-road. And it comes without rechargeable batteries. In addition, this police sports car toy does not have LED lights or any sound effects. After playing with this police car for a while, I can say that it's definitely worth the investment. So if you're looking for a fun and exciting toy, I highly recommend giving this police car toy a try. This police sports car toy is a great addition to any toy collection. The ease of use and maneuverability of this police car toy and its responsive remote control are some of the great features of this police sports car. I have tested driving this police sports car toy on different flat surfaces, and I can say the car is awesome. This car is a great gift for anyone who loves remote control cars. The car features a sleek and sporty design, and its body is made of high-quality materials that give it a sturdy and durable feel. It is an amazing police car.